This is the morning weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 19th of February. This is James Spann. A warming trend. Headlines are forecast this week will be close to 70 by Wednesday. Little rain coming in here Thursday night. And then we'll have a pretty good looking weekend coming up. A lot of things to talk about this morning as the new data is in. So here we go. We have a little trough rotating through the southeastern states this morning. We also note that little trough coming across the high plain states, a clipper system that will be moving through here tomorrow. I don't think we see any rain with that. Here's a look at the radar composite across the country early this morning. A lot of rain and mountain snow in California. Got a few rain showers around Jacksonville, Florida. Otherwise, things are quiet. And this morning, we have a chill in the air. Pretty brisk. Look at Aniana, 20. Haleyville, 21. Coleman and Jasper, 23. So temperatures are below freezing for about the northern two-thirds of the state. Montgomery at 32. Mobile sitting at 33. Dothan in the middle 30s, around 36. We're expecting highs in the upper 50s and low 60s in most spots today. Here's the watch warning map around the nation. The big issues are out in California, as again they're being slammed with a Pacific system. A lot of valley rain and mountain snow. Clearly, they have no drought concerns anytime soon. In fact, interestingly enough, around Sacramento, California today, a chance of severe storms. A level 2 out of level 5, slight risk there. The east is quiet. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder, again, for parts of California, over toward Las Vegas. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, a small marginal risk around Springfield, Missouri. And again, that's with that feature that will bring some rain to Alabama late Thursday and Thursday night, but no severe storms expected here. In fact, quite frankly, not that much rain. Here's a look at the rain for the next 7 days, and if you're in South Alabama, nothing. It's a dry stretch of days here. For the northern half of the state, with the system late Thursday, Thursday night, rain amounts generally under 1/2 inch. The bottom line is the weather looks pretty quiet here for a while. But hey, we all know that March is coming. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. And again, you can see the trough east of the state and that little clipper coming down through parts of Kansas and Missouri. And again, I just don't think we see any rain with that feature tomorrow. But today will be a sunny day, upper 50s, low 60s. Tomorrow, despite the fact that that clipper is going to be coming through, there's just no moisture. So no chance of rain. And a very nice day. High should be in the 60s, the sky partially sunny. This is Wednesday. The warming trend continues. The high Wednesday will be close to 70 for most spots, the sky partly to mostly sunny. And then Thursday, here comes a front, and that will bring a chance of showers beginning Thursday night, or Thursday afternoon for about the northern half of the state. And then we'll have a chance of rain for about the northern half of the state Thursday night. Again, this will not be a big rain event. Rain amounts will likely be 1/2 inch or less. Probably no thunder. And then by Friday, that front is on by. We should be just slightly cooler. I mean, there's no really cold air involved in this front. Highs Friday dropping back in the middle 60s, so we drop about 5 degrees. What about the weekend, you ask? It's going to be very nice. This is Saturday. The sky will be sunny, highs in the 60s, unlike this past Saturday when temperatures were sitting in the low 40s all day for much of the state. Great day for anything outdoors, and the same thing on Sunday. A beautiful day, sunny with highs around 70 for the northern half of the state, low 70s for South Alabama. So a very nice weekend ahead. And let's go out a week from today. This is Monday the 26th. The ridge building in. So the day should be sunny and mild with highs in the 70s. A little spring fever is going to break out. Let's go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, the 28th. We have troughing out over the high plain states and the western states. A deep surface low is over southwestern Minnesota. And if this works out, we'd have a big snowstorm, basically a blizzard for parts of Minnesota and the Dakotas, and a band of showers and storms south and east of the surface low. But this is 10 days out. We all know this could easily change. Rain for Birmingham off the European Ensemble. This is coming off the Euro Ensemble. The mean about 2 inches between now and the 4th of March. And the numbers coming off the national blend of models. We've got 58 today, and then after that, we'll be in the 60s and 70s for a while. Up to near 70 Wednesday and Thursday. And again, the numbers drop back a little bit, but not by much, Friday and Saturday, and then we bounce back in the mid-70s by next week. In fact, it looks like next week will be the warmest week so far this year. And if you like spring weather, I think you'll like that. That's the 8 to 14-day outlook. This is for the 26th of February through the 3rd of March. The eastern two-thirds of the country in the red, meaning temperatures above average. But again, we all know we can have some pretty sharp cold snaps here. We've had a freeze in Birmingham as late as April 23rd. Typically, the last freeze of the season comes around mid-March. But clearly, spring is on the way. Nice sunset last night. Our dog buddies, our canine friends, like those sunsets as well. Just gorgeous scene there in the Alabama sky. We had enough high clouds to give the sky some texture. Just gorgeous. As a shot from Panama City Beach. Before you know it, it's going to be spring break time. And those crowds will be swelling, but just a glorious sunset on the Gulf Coast last night. And again, look at that. Look, if you were down there yesterday, you would basically own that beach. But trust me, those days are just about over. And just beautiful scenes in the Alabama sky. Love this shot. This was taken down at Fairhope, overlooking Mobile Bay. Hear that train a-coming. That was taken down at Atmore. A little sun pillar action there. I think that was taken down in the southern counties of the state. All right, let's go through the schedule this week. A lot of things are happening. So today I will be in Tuscaloosa County to see a homeschool group over in Coker, a little west of Tuscaloosa. Tomorrow I'm going to be in Florence at St. Joseph Catholic Regional School up in the Shoals. And then the second stop, it's going to be Snow Rogers Elementary School up in the Gardendale area, north of Birmingham. Wednesday, Summerton Middle School in Walker County. Thursday, going down to Pike County in South Alabama, Goshen Elementary School. And then Friday, I'll be seeing the little ones at the First Baptist Church of Alabaster, their pre-K program. And then Saturday, I will be in Nashville for the Severe Weather Day, Tribeca Nazarene University. I'll be speaking, I do believe it's 11 o'clock. I'll put the timeline up on the social platforms later today. This is no book signing. I'm just speaking in Nashville. So if you're in Middle Tennessee, come by and see us. I'm going to do a case study on the March 25th, 2021 tornado event. We had multiple long-track tornadoes. We had loss of life that day. We'll look at the meteorological setup, what went right, what went wrong in the communication process, and what we learned. And I like those case studies. And then Saturday evening, back to Birmingham, I'll be judging the Unless You Got Talent competition. That's a great ministry, and that'll be a lot of fun. Hey, don't forget Weather Brains, our show for weather dweebs, nerds, geeks, dorks, weenies. That'll be on tonight, the Monday night weather party. YouTube.com/weatherbrains. And, of course, the podcast version comes out tomorrow morning. And, hey, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.